大家好，欢迎收听今天这一期的早安英文，我是卡拉。
And this is Dylan. Welcome to another episode of Morning English.
So what time do you wake up during the week, Dylan?
You're prying into my personal life. Why?
我翻你一个大白眼。I just wanted to bring up today's topic.
Lies.
It's true.
All right. I usually wake up around 7 or 8 a.m. in the morning, but sometimes I hit the snooze button a few times if it's my day off.
What is to hit the snooze button?
To hit the snooze button is when you set your alarm, you give yourself like 5 extra minutes. You press the yellow button on your iPhone instead of the red one.
就是再睡5分钟。
Yeah.
所以迪伦呢通常是在早上7点或者8点钟起床，但是呢时不时的会 hit the snooze button， 就是会按下那个再睡5分钟或者再睡10分钟的那个贪睡按钮，也就是说偶尔会赖个床的意思。
So our topic is snooze buttons?
To talk about your morning routine in English.
Okay, I see.
那今天呢，要教大家怎么样用英文来描述自己的早间日常。
Hello, welcome to Morning English. 早安英文呢是一个为大家免费提供英语教学的频道，每天都会更新。如果你想获得关于英语听说读写的内容，我们都会在这个频道更新。我们的目标是帮助全球的华人学好英语。如果你觉得还不错的话，记得给我们订阅哦。另外，点开小铃铛，这样的话就不会错过其他任何学习视频啦。对了，如果你想获取本节课的完整版笔记，在视频简介或者评论区领取哦。你也可以给这个视频点赞，点赞就相当于自动保存啦。
So apart from I usually wake up around 7 or 8 in the morning, you could also say my alarm goes off at 8 in the morning or 7 in the morning. And then I get out of bed.
对，这是每天的第一项日程啊。你可以说我的闹钟 my alarm 在几点钟 goes off， 或者呢 rings 就是在几点钟响，然后呢我就会 get out of bed 起床。
And then I make myself a cup of coffee. For some people, maybe tea and have some breakfast.
接下来呢，他的习惯是给自己做咖啡，然后吃早餐。那如果说听众朋友们啊，如果你们每天早上是自己做早餐的话，你可以讲 I make myself breakfast every morning.
And then go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and take a shower.
然后呢，就是去厕所、刷牙、冲澡。那首先呢，注意一下家里面的厕所，我们通常都讲 bathroom， 那不要讲成 go to the toilet， 因为 toilet 是马桶的意思啊。然后呢 ，take a shower 和 take a bath。Dylan， 你来解释一下什么区别呢？
Yeah, to take a bath is to fill your bathtub with water and sit down in it. Baths are often much longer than a shower. And a shower is when you stand and use the shower head to wash your body.
对，所以其实中文来解释就非常简单，就是 take a shower 是淋浴冲澡，然后呢 take a bath 就是泡澡。
So I'm pretty ignorant on this matter, but do girls use face masks in the morning?
For me personally, I'm not a morning person, so I usually feel sleepy and grumpy in the morning, so I will use my facial masks at night.
Oh, yeah, I can totally tell you're not a morning person.
Yeah.
we don't get to work around 10, and even then she's still tired.
对，我就是一个觉很多的人啊。I have never really been a morning person. My internal clock is set a little later than others. 这个 internal clock 它的意思呢就是生物钟，因为我的生物钟感觉比一般人都要晚一些啊，所以我这就不是一个 morning person.
Some people in America will actually get up and exercise before doing anything in the morning.
Really? That sounds like a nightmare.
Yeah, I know. But I know several people in America who will literally put out their gym clothes before going to bed and go exercise before the day starts.
What would drive someone to do that?
I have no idea. It's also very common for someone, especially older people, to read the news while they eat their breakfast.
所以呢，就是说有很多的人他可能会早起的第一件事情啊，就是去锻炼。怎么说呢？这件事情我个人我真的是觉得我很难做到啊。然后呢，还有一些人会在吃早餐的时候呢去读报纸。
Some people also sit down and schedule their day in a notebook or on their phones. This is probably one of the things I should be doing, but I'm not. Either because I'm lazy or because I have too much confidence in my ability to remember things.
Okay, I can definitely tell you it's not your memory.
Lots of people also use this time to get their finances in order and make a budget for the day.
Yeah, that makes sense. That's definitely something I need to do.
Yeah, I think we both spend way too much money on coffee.
对
Oh, that reminds me. Coffee stores in America open a lot earlier than in China. Starbucks in China doesn't open until 10 a.m., right?
I don't know. I go to work at 10.
Yeah, you wouldn't know, right?
对啊
But in America, it's not uncommon to see a coffee store open at 5 a.m.
Man, I do not envy the people who have to work here.
Me either. My aunt is a baker, and she has to wake up at 3:30 a.m. every day.
I am beginning to like China a lot more than America.
Yeah, me too. Oh, I forgot. Probably the most important thing that people do in the morning is make their bed.
Oh, I don't do that.
Yeah, me either. It just seems like meaningless to make your bed every day and then come home and sleep in it and make it all messy again.
对对，就是觉得为什么每天早上起来要整理床铺呢？反正晚上也是要睡觉的。当然，对于那些整理床铺的人，你们很棒棒，好吧？
It's also really common for working professionals, young adults, to check their email, their Weibo, their WeChat, any social media apps. Yeah.
其实 this is probably the first thing people do in the morning.
You're right, it probably
对，
is.
就是当醒过来、意识清醒那一刻，就开始检查自己的微信、朋友圈啊、微博啊、邮件啊等等等等。那我们今天的节目就到这里了。最后给大家总结一下我们今天学到的表达，
Hit the snooze button.
就是按下这个贪睡按钮赖床的意思。
When you set your alarm, it gives you 5 extra minutes.
Yeah，
Okay. Next one is morning routine.
早间日常
Make myself a cup of coffee or tea.
就是给自己泡一杯茶或者咖啡，
Have some breakfast.
吃早餐，
Go to the bathroom.
去厕所，
Brush my teeth.
刷牙，
Take a shower.
冲澡，
Take a bath.
泡澡，
Internal clock.
生物钟，
Apply a face mask or use a face mask.
敷面膜，
Make one's bed.
整理床铺。
Hello, welcome to Morning English. 早安英文呢是一个为大家免费提供英语教学的频道，每天都会更新。如果你想获得关于英语听说读写的内容，我们都会在这个频道更新。我们的目标是帮助全球的华人学好英语。如果你觉得还不错的话，记得给我们订阅哦。另外，点开小铃铛，这样的话就不会错过其他任何学习视频啦。对了，如果你想获取本节课的完整版笔记，在视频简介或者评论区领取哦。你也可以给这个视频点赞，点赞就相当于自动保存啦。
So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for joining us here at Morning English. This has been Dylan.
我是卡拉，
And you guys have a good day, okay? Bye-bye.
拜拜。